My name is Gilbert Brunet. I'm the Chief Scientist and Group Executive of Science Innovation at the Bureau of Meteorology in Australia. My role in MOSAC, I'm sharing MOSAC, and this is important to provide feedback and interaction with the Met Office to have a focus point in the MOSAC group. So my role as a chair is to make sure that understand the need of the Met Office, what they try to obtain from the MOSAC each year, and to steer the member in the direction to provide the proper advice given the need of the Met Office. My role in MOSAC is threefold. The MOSAC need to provide an independent assessment of the quality and relevance of the Met Office scientific research, which underpin its weather, climate, and oceanographic services. Secondly, need to ensure that the Met Office, through its science program and other activities, provide the best possible service and advice to customers. And third, foster productive link with the global meteorological and climate community. So in other words, first, quality assessment. Second, to provide a customer focus. And third, to ensure there is some global meteorological collaboration with the Met Office. The Met Office Science Advisory Committee meeting is a very important event in the year for the Met Office. It motivates the different leaders of the different teams to think about long-term planning and the strategy, and to present this in front of a group of people, of scientists, which are very well familiar with different aspects of the scientific activity in meteorological and climate science. And this helped to bring the Met Office to think and to focus in the future what they will need to do. So it's a great exercise. I would argue that for the last almost 30 Met Office meeting, this has permitted the Met Office to be a program of high quality and to have the impact it has now. This year, the Met Office have shown great progress, and the highlight, I would say, are the Momentum Partnership, which used to be called the Unified Model Partnership with different countries. This had made a lot of progress, and in terms of planning, also for the future activities. And many improvements have been brought to the prediction system through this collaboration. It's unique in the world, and I think it's showing more and more the benefit for the partners. Also, I think we can see that the Met Office Academic Partnership is doing very good work also. There's been many innovation coming from it, and it's very beneficial for the Met Office to have this collaboration with the academic community. The priorities for the Met Office and its partners in the next 5 years are certainly focusing on the next generation of modeling system that have been developed for the last few years. And this is very important to deliver this to the different centers so we can benefit and be able to use in a better way the new technology, supercomputing technology that is available. There'll be a push to do higher resolution space resolution for different application for numerical prediction, weather prediction. We will see activities global at high resolution, but we'll see also prediction at the urban scale, at sub-kilometer scale, that will be possible now with this new system that we have developed together with the Momentum Partnership. There's also clearly improvement to those prediction and for those climate simulation, and post-processing is also an important point of collaboration in the next 5 years. And I would like also to end up by saying that this is really new, it's moving very quickly, is to work together on application of machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques to improve numerical weather prediction. That will be very important also in the next 5 years. My view is that the Met Office Science Advisory Committee, the MOSAC, has evolved along the years, of course. It's now the 28th MOSAC meeting, and the landscape of weather and climate science have changed a lot. The technology have changed. I would say now the MOSAC is certainly focused more on those high resolution problems that we need to deal with, like predicting weather in cities. We need also to develop partnership more and more. This certainly MOSAC, I've seen a big increase in those international collaboration and been now part of the discussion. So I think at the end, MOSAC has a more global focus now than it had in the past because of those new collaboration and those new challenge we have in the science of weather and climate forecasting. At the beginning of the science and the technology that permitted to do numerical weather prediction and climate forecasts also, it started in the 60s. And even at that point, all the centers, Met Service, realized that this problem was so complex that it would need international collaboration. And in fact, in 69, there was the first global atmospheric research program, which was involving different weather service to improve those predictions. So it's been a challenge for a long time now, this international collaboration. It was helped also by the World Meteorological Organization, which has the responsibility of coordinating the utilization of global observation. And this, again, was very international in terms of activity. So what have changed now? I would say it's getting more efficient, those international collaboration. It's benefiting more now all the service, but it's more and more effective. Why? Because of those tools that we have now to do video conference around the world. We can discuss what are different partners almost at any time of the year, of the day, to advance the science and the technology and to make good use of it. So I would say now that since the pandemic, when people realized that there was a lot of tools available to do collaboration remotely, this is just getting better.